Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Ben, your host, and with me today is my wonderful co-host Laura.
Hey Ben. Hey everyone. We're so excited to have you here with us today. If you're someone who struggles with thinking in English, then this episode is just for you.
That's right. Have you ever found yourself translating every single word in your head before speaking? It slows you down, right?
Exactly. Many English learners face this problem. They think in their native language first and then try to translate into English. And by the time they're ready to speak, the moment has already passed.
But don't worry. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to train your brain to think directly in English, just like a native speaker. And trust me, once you start thinking in English, everything becomes easier: speaking, listening, and even writing.
So if you've ever wondered how to stop translating and start thinking in English naturally, stay with us. We've got some powerful techniques to share.
Let's dive in. All right, Laura, let's start with the big question. Why is thinking in English so important for learners?
Great question, Ben. The truth is, if you always think in your native language first and then translate, you'll never speak fluently.
Exactly. It creates a delay. Your brain is working twice as hard, first forming a sentence in your native language, then translating it into English. And sometimes, the translation doesn't even make sense.
Oh, absolutely. For example, if someone translates, "I am cold," word for word from another language, they might say, "I have cold," which sounds unnatural in English.
Right. That's why thinking in English helps so much. It trains your brain to form sentences the way native speakers do, without getting stuck on translation.
And let's talk about confidence. When you start thinking in English, you feel more confident because words come to you faster.
Yes. No more long pauses while translating in your head. You respond naturally and smoothly.
Another big benefit is better listening skills. If you think in English, your brain processes English conversations faster.
That's so true. And not just conversations, even movies, podcasts, and songs become easier to understand because you stop translating everything.
And Ben, let's not forget pronunciation.
Good point. When you think in English, you hear the sounds in your head the way native speakers say them, which helps you speak more clearly.
So to summarize, thinking in English helps you speak faster, boosts your confidence, improves your listening skills, and even helps your pronunciation.
And now you might be thinking, okay, I understand why it's important, but how do I actually do it? Don't worry. We'll explain everything step by step. But first, let's talk about the common mistakes that stop people from thinking in English.
Now that we understand why thinking in English is so important, let's talk about what holds learners back.
Yes. Many learners don't even realize they're making these mistakes.
Mistake number 1, the biggest one: relying too much on translation.
If you always translate in your head before speaking, your brain never learns to think in English directly.
Exactly. It's like riding a bike with training wheels forever. You have to trust your brain.
Another common mistake is overthinking grammar.
So many learners try to make every sentence perfect before speaking, and that slows them down.
Native speakers don't think about grammar rules while talking. They just speak.
And guess what? Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Mistake number 3, fear of making mistakes.
Yes, some learners are so afraid of being wrong that they stop speaking or thinking in English.
But mistakes are part of learning. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection.
And the last mistake, not surrounding yourself with English.
If your daily life is full of your native language, your brain won't switch to English naturally.
That's why immersion is so important. English music, videos, podcasts, and reading.
So let's recap the mistakes. 1. Relying too much on translation. 2. Overthinking grammar. 3. Fear of making mistakes. 4. Not using enough English daily.
The good news: we're about to show you how to fix all of these.
Alright, Laura, this is the most important part. How can learners actually train their brain to think in English?
Let's break it down into simple steps.
Step 1. Name things around you in English.
I love this one. Just look around you and name objects: bed, window, lamp, phone.
And take it further. Instead of just cup, think, I'm drinking coffee from my cup.
Step 2. Talk to yourself in English.
It may feel strange at first, but it's powerful.
Describe what you are doing. I'm cooking dinner. It's a sunny day.
No pressure. No fear. Just practice.
Step 3. Use an English to English dictionary.
This is a game changer.
Instead of translating excited, read its English meaning feeling very happy and eager.
That way, your brain connects English with English.
Step 4. Think in simple sentences first.
Start small. I need vegetables.
Your sentences will grow naturally over time.
Step 5. Create an English inner voice.
Ask yourself questions in English. What should I do today? How do I feel?
And finally, Step 6. Surround yourself with English.
The more English you hear, the more naturally you think in it.
Now let's talk about daily practice.
Start and end your day in English.
Set a no translation rule for 30 minutes a day.
Talk to yourself aloud.
Use English during simple activities.
And keep a simple English journal.
You'll face challenges, but stay patient.
Progress takes time.
Thinking in English is a skill.
And anyone can learn it.
So to all our listeners, what's one tip you'll try today?
Tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this episode, like, share, and subscribe.
Keep practicing.
Keep thinking in English.
And we'll see you in the next episode.